Greetings to the judges and organizers of Hashnode Hackathon. I am Akash Srinivasan presenting my new Hashnode theme. This is the user interface that I have developed. Over here, the user can identify on what topics does this blogger create blogs on. Later, if he scrolls, his attention would be grabbed by all these blogs over here. When he scrolls down, he can see what this author's top 3 categories are and some of its blogs over here. Further down, he has a small About Us section over here and few of the links to sponsor me and follow me. Sponsor me link redirects us to buy me a coffee. Further down over here, we have an infinite scrolling over here. As I have less blogs in my page, it doesn't show me the button called Load More. Later, over here, we have a chatbot, which is integrated via Twalk. For now, if I say hello over here, the message will be reached into the admin panel in here. And from here, I could reply to my reader or audience by saying hi. This is the hamburger menu. Currently, it does nothing, but you can link any of your profiles over here. Now, let's go into any one of these blogs. Say this one. We get a smooth transition and we get into the blog. Over here, when we scroll, we can see a couple of options over here. Say comment, see the table of content, and this option is for the audiobook. When we click on this, it reads.
Resolving Mongoose server selection error. Connecticut refused 1.27017 at connection.openuri. As a Node.js developer who uses Mongoose to work with MongoDB data,
we can also click on it again to toggle it. We have the language translation option over here. We can translate it to any of these following languages. And it translates it in real time. I have made sure that it doesn't translate the code part, or else it would get weird. After that, it doesn't finish. We also have a synonymous feature, which means like if you don't know any word over here, let's say frustrating, you can just highlight it and right click on it. These are the definitions of frustrating. You can also see definitions for other words. You might say that this is a silly feature for the programmers, but in this era of AI, the bloggers are using various big words such as this, and this. So this feature comes in handy. Trust me, blogs can get boring in no time, and hence, I have integrated a feature by which you can list out some of the questions at the end of the blog or at the middle of your content. For example, here I have a question and I can click on any of these options, by which I can see which option is correct. This feature can be easily enabled by using the following syntax. Adding question tags, having the question over here, and using button tags to put all these button options over here and adding correct attribute inside one of the button, by which I can interpret it to this kind of feature. Later, sometimes have you ever faced you're using a mobile and you really want to have a look at what this code does? So, there is no worries in that. I have integrated a run code button by which you can just click on it and have instant code preview of HTML as of now. But in the future, Hashnode could also integrate other languages such as Python, JavaScript, etc.